Measurement vocabulary in the English language. Time measurements. Second, the base unit of time in both the metric and imperial systems. Minute consists of 60 seconds. Hour comprises 60 minutes. Day, a period of 24 hours. Week, a unit of time consisting of 7 days.
Month varies between 28 to 31 days, depending on the month. Year, a period of 365 days, or 366 in a leap year.
Decade, 10 years. Century, 100 years.
Length measurements.
Inch, a unit of length equal to 1/12 of a foot. Foot, equal to 12 inches or 0.3 so 48 meters. Yard, equivalent to 3 feet or 0.9144 meters. Meter, the base unit of length in the metric system. Kilometer, equal to 1,000 meters.
Weight or mass measurements.
Ounce, a unit of weight equal to approximately 28 grams. Pound, equal to 16 ounces or approximately 0.4 kilograms. Gram, the base unit of mass in the metric system. Kilogram, equal to 1,000 grams.
Area measurements. Square inch, the area of a square with sides 1 inch long. Square foot, equivalent to an area of 1 foot by 1 foot. Square meter, the area of a square with sides 1 meter long.
Acre, equal to 43,560 square feet. Hectare comprises 10,000 square meters.
Temperature measurements.
Degree Fahrenheit, a scale for measuring temperature commonly used in the U.S. Degree Celsius, another temperature scale widely used globally based on the freezing and boiling points of water. Kelvin, the base unit of temperature in the International System of Units, SI.
Speed measurements. Miles per hour. Distance traveled in miles in 1 hour. Kilometers per hour. Distance traveled in kilometers in 1 hour. Volume or capacity measurements.
Pint, equal to 2 cups or approximately 473 milliliters. Quart, consists of 2 pints or roughly 946 milliliters. Gallon, comprises 4 quarts or around 3.78 liters. Liter, the base unit of volume in the metric system.